I will explain step by step in 10 steps how you can achieve the big goals in your life. Step 1. Goal setting. The first step to success is to set concrete and measurable goals. Write down your goals. Assign a specific date and think about how you will achieve them. Step 2. Motivation and passion. You will learn how to increase your intrinsic motivation to fulfill your dreams. Being passionate is a powerful driving force that will make you wake up every day. Step 3. Planning and strategy. Success is based on a good plan and strategy. Determine your roadmap by creating daily, weekly and monthly plans to reach your goals. Step 4. Patience and perseverance. The secret to success is patience and perseverance. You must move forward with determination to overcome the obstacles you will encounter on the way. Step 5. Learning and development. Continuous learning and development is an important factor. On the road to success, read books, take online courses and improve yourself a little more every day. Step 6. Positive thinking. Positive thinking is one of the keys to success. Learn to turn negative thoughts into positive ones and have confidence in yourself. Step 7. Overcoming barriers. There will always be obstacles, but you will learn how to overcome them. The ability to turn problems into opportunities brings great success. Step 8. Collaboration and support. Collaborating with others and getting support accelerates the achievement of your goals. Step 9. Protecting your values. Don't let the expectations of others distract you from your goals. Protect your own values and purpose. Step 10. Celebration and thank you. I post on this page every day to keep you and myself motivated. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey.